I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've received the wrong item from Walmart, don't worry. Here is a straightforward guide to help you get your refund. Step 1. Gather your information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eShrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Visit the Walmart website. Go to the Walmart website and log into your account. Navigate to the order history section to find the order that contains the wrong item. Step 3. Initiate the return. Select the order with the incorrect item and click on the return button. Follow the prompts to specify the reason for the return, which in this case is receiving the wrong product. Step 4. Print return label. Once you've completed the return request, you'll be provided with a return label. Print this label and attach it to the package you'll be sending back. Make sure the label is clearly visible. Step 5. Ship the item back. Take the package to your nearest shipping location or drop it off at a Walmart store if they offer that service. Keep the tracking number for your records. This is important in case there are any issues with the return. I hope this guide helps you get your refund quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.